Say hello to effortless cooking with the Aroma Housewares 3-cup rice cooker, steamer and multi-cooker. Your new kitchen essential for delicious meals made easy. This versatile appliance isn't just for rice. From hearty jambalayas to steamed veggies, soups and more, the multifunctional design unlocks endless possibilities for creative cooking. Featuring one-touch operation, this rice cooker ensures a stress-free experience. Just fill it, power it on and let it work its magic. And thanks to the automatic keep warm function, your food stays at the perfect serving temperature, ready when you are. Save time with simultaneous steaming using the included steam tray. Cook rice below while steaming vegetables or proteins above, preserving flavors and nutrients in one go. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick inner pot that's also dishwasher safe. Compact yet capable, its 6-cup cooked capacity makes it ideal for small meals or side dishes. The Aroma rice cooker includes everything you need: a non-stick pot, tempered glass lid, aluminum steam tray, rice measuring cup and serving spatula. Built for convenience and style, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Always buy original products and avoid copies to enjoy Aroma's trusted quality and durability. Ready to simplify your cooking? Grab the Aroma rice cooker today and start creating delicious meals with ease.